welcome back to Photo Booth Connect UK, the only UK photo booth and events YouTube community channel. Now, today I'm going to let you in on some of the favorite insider hacks that I love, that I found out about. And I know that one of my recent YouTube subscribers, shout out Big Daddy Whack, shout out Juicers, he reminded me of. And really, it's an insider hack to get affordable, one-of-a-kind props that will elevate any event. Now, these tips are so good that most people don't even know about them or think about them. And bet you 99% your competitors don't want you to know about them. That's right, they don't want you to know about this little secret. But don't worry, Rahul's got you from the Luxe 360 booths here on Photo Booth Connect UK. We believe in sharing the best secrets so you can get the absolute most out of your business, your event, and your budget, more importantly. So let's get started with some budget-friendly places you may have overlooked. So first of all, this is what I'm going to say about props. Before you do this hack, also think about checking out local charity shops, online marketplaces. We got some boxing gloves for £2. We got one time on Facebook, my mum actually got a whole box of hats, construction hats for free because mum was throwing them away. So you can absolutely find stuff on there, and there's little hidden gems you can get. Now, another great hack is this AliExpress. Sign up with a new account on AliExpress. So I've already done it in this instance here. Now, what you can do is you can keep signing up for new accounts, just use a VPN, and then let's say you want to get a WWE belt as a prop. These are normally like 200 to 300 quid, I think, and normally it might even be more for a real one. What you can get is a welcome deal as a new member. This means you'll get it for significantly cheaper. Now, the welcome deals do vary in price. So I actually bought a WWE belt. So this exact belt here for £5, including shipping. So it was a bargain. But I mean, they've got them here £10. So you'd get it on the welcome price. Let's see. Let's say I wanted to look for a bubble machine. You can get a bubble machine for £2.93. All you're gonna do is go to cart, add it in. And I think I've had this issue with this before. I want you to select three, but let's just say we select this one in case. We're gonna hit add to cart. We're going to go to a cart. Now, what AliExpress will do is it will add on tax because you have to pay that. And then obviously you'll go there. It will let you check it out. I thought I was signed in. Apologies, guys. I'm not. But you will basically get that price. So for probably it'll be about £4, you would have this bubble machine. So this machine here. And you can do the same thing with Temu. Temu will do a 30% new account discount. I know there's a lot of affiliate links out there as well. And also you can check reviews here of the items as well. You can see what other people have said about them. I mean, damn, that's quite small actually. But yeah, you can get an example of it, see how good they are. And this is a really, really good way to get props for cheap, basically. So we hope these little hacks that I've given you and the tips that I continue to give you across the channel help you think outside the box when it comes to affordable props. And remember, a fantastic setup doesn't need to break the bank. You just need a bit of creativity and some insider know-how. If you found this video helpful, though, please give us a like and subscribe and tell your friends and your family and your other photo booth competitors, anyone. I was kidding. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes tips and tricks from Photo Booth Connect, brought to you by the Luxe 360 booth. And if you're ever looking to elevate your event with a photo booth, make sure you contact us, manufacturer.thelux360.co.uk. From photo booth to custom props, we're always here to help and bring your vision to life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.